In this video, we're going to show you how to bring Team Chat to any web page with this Chrome extension. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. While collaborating remotely with a team, clear communication is important, and Inverse is an app that can make it simple by bringing Team Chat to every web page. The app is available as an extension for Chrome. A link to the app is in the description. You can follow that link to get the extension. When the extension is installed, it redirects to a welcome page. Click the Google Sign In option here and log in with your account. After signing in, create a name and a username for your profile. In the next step, we can either create an organization or join an existing one. Let's create an organization here. When an organization is created, the extension shows the current page and all threads. The current page shows the existing threads for the page, if any. You can create a new thread here and save it with a title and note. The threads appear to everyone in the organization and people can add comments and link to it. Now, from the settings, you can get the invite code of your organization, which can send the teammates to join. That's it, guys. This is how you can bring Team Chat to any web page. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.